Have you ever wondered how millions of chickens are produced every single day? This is not a farm, this is a chicken mega factory. Watch till the end. The process is unbelievable. In modern chicken mega factories, everything starts with fertile eggs collected from healthy breeder chickens. These eggs are carefully selected, cleaned, and sent to high-tech incubation chambers. Inside these incubators, temperature, humidity, and airflow are controlled by advanced computer systems. Eggs are automatically turned every few hours to ensure proper embryo development. After 18 days, the eggs move to hatchers, where tiny chicks begin to emerge. Once hatched, the chicks are gently transported to climate-controlled broiler houses. Here, everything is automated feeding systems. Water lines, ventilation, and lighting are all designed to help chickens grow faster and healthier. Broiler chickens are raised using a scientifically optimized diet that helps them gain weight efficiently within 35 to 45 days. Sensors continuously monitor air quality, temperature, and chicken movement to prevent disease and stress. This modern broiler raising method allows factories to produce high-quality chicken meat while maintaining strict hygiene and biosecurity standards, from egg to full-grown broiler. This entire process shows how technology has completely transformed poultry farming into a global-scale industry.